Hello from AlphaCars in Boxborough. It's a first really nice spring day here, and we're going to look at some convertibles today. The first one we're going to look at is 2011 Mercedes SL550 with only 27,000 miles. Amazing options, amazing conditions, and with this quick video we're just gonna go around the car, take a look at the wheels, tires, get it running. And usually with these videos we show if the vehicle has imperfections. I know this car very, very well. There are actually no imperfections on this very well cared for pre-owned Mercedes. Let's start from just walking around the vehicle. We are starting on the right side. I'm gonna take a look at the side. There are no dings or dents. There are no chips on the door edge, around the handle. All the moldings, everything lines up. While we're here on the on the left side of the vehicle, we're looking at the wheels that are absolutely impeccable, and we have top of the line Hunter Road Force wheel balancer, and we installed new Continental tires. They were Road Force optimized and high-speed balanced, so this car feels like a new car would be on the road. So it has a new set of tires. We are looking at the wheels that are in perfect condition. Center caps are perfect. As we make our way around the vehicle, and I'm commenting on the condition, the front of the car is perfect. There are no chips or dings or scratches. The lower part of the bumper that I'm looking at now, I'm not seeing any gouges or scrapes. It's in great shape. In this video, I'm not spending too much time on the options. I'll mention a few big ones, but you can see it on our website, alphacars.com, and all the detailed information. This car is generously equipped. On the passenger side, we're looking at the two wheels that are in perfect condition, and also with new tires. There are no dings, chips, or scratches on the side. Moldings, everything lines up. The rear of the vehicle is very, very nice. Again, the bumper has no scratches or any imperfections. This car has a very rare AMG Sport package, so it looks like SL63 or SL65 with a ground effect. And if you look at the history of the car, you'll see that it was sold as a Mercedes-Benz certified pre-owned vehicle. So it's been with the Mercedes service network. Interior of the car is equally as nice. I'm looking at the door trim. No imperfections here. Wood is beautiful. There are no cracking. Stitching is in great shape. Switches, everything looks very nice. No wear points. I'm gonna make a comment on this bolster. It is in great condition given the age of the vehicle, but there is a little bit of minor wear on this entrance point. The lower bolster looks very, very nice. Carpet and trim around the vehicle is in great condition. This car has panoramic roof that is built within a retractable hardtop, so it's pretty amazing when you're going to be able to see. I'm going to try to do it with one hand. Let's see. Yeah. I was slipping away, so you can see it has panorama roof. So if you're in a really on a hot day, maybe a humid day, you can have your top up and use air conditioning and still have a feel of a convertible. Yeah, on this side, everything is in great condition. You can see original books. And we'll take a peek in the trunk. It's a beautiful color too. It's a metallic black color. It's a reflective color. We're looking at the trunk now. The floor mats are in great condition. This car was parked outside for a few days, so there's a little bit of dust. I'm not sure how it presents, how the shine presents itself on the video, but the car is really in amazing condition. The color, again, I'm commenting on the color because it is spectacular. You can see right here above the door handle, the metallic composition in this color is just striking. As you can see, it has, I'm looking at this, the mileage right there, it's 27,415 miles. And once again, it's a 2011 Mercedes SL550, available at the time of this video. It is still available at AlphaCars in Boxborough, Massachusetts. For the actual availability at the time when you're viewing this video, please visit our website, alphacars.com. Thank you very much for viewing this video.